Instead of addressing the critical human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir, India has engaged in a blame game against Pakistan. According to Kashmir Media Service, New Delhi, facing criticism for its handling of the Kashmir dispute, has resorted to pointing out fingers at Pakistan, accusing it of propagating the false narrative and sponsoring unrest in the region. In view of the worsening health condition of the Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front leader Mohammad Yasin Malik, the Delhi High Court has stepped in to order urgent medical attention for the jail leader, who is grappling with the serious cardiac and kidney problems. According to Kashmir Media Service, during a recent hearing, the Modi government and Tihar jail officials lied to the court, claiming that Malik was refusing medical treatment. New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency carried out raids at 5 key locations in Srinagar and New Delhi in connection with the pro-freedom activities in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, special teams of the SIA conducted raids at 2 locations in Eidgah and Ahmednagar areas in Srinagar, along with the searches at 3 strategic spots in New Delhi. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the use of the military force against the Kashmiri people who are peacefully engaged in the movement for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, this right is guaranteed by the United Nations Security Council. Thousands of people today took out a protest march in the Leh district of Ladakh amid a complete shutdown across the region to press for their long demands. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest march and the shutdown are a part of the already announced program on the call of the Leh Apex Body and the Kargil Democratic Alliance. Indian Forces personnel carried out a cordon and search operation in the Kishtwar district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the operation, jointly launched by the Indian Army and the police, focused on the Kori and the adjoining areas. Under the Kashmir email campaign initiated by a Kashmiri youth, around 1 million emails will be sent to the United Nations Secretary General advocating for the right of the self-determination of the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the campaign was launched at a press conference in Islamabad today, and it concluded with a powerful message.